Hi, welcome back. Today lab I will demonstrate program FANUC robot to follow the bent pipe. Programming the robot to follow the pipes is quite challenging, requires patience, and consumes a lot of time to precisely adjust the robot's angle. Programming the robot to navigate each bend necessitated frequent toggling between various robot coordinates. As you might remember, I introduced the concept of the coordinate system in robotics through a video at the start of this course. Initially, the joint coordinate system seemed to offer limited assistance in previous labs. However, in this lab, it proved to be extremely valuable, particularly at bends where only the gripper needed to be rotated. Navigating the robot to follow the pipe in such a confined box requires precise adjustment of the fixture's angle and position. If these are not set up correctly, we risk encountering difficulties due to the limited space available. As you are watching at this section, we need to maneuver the robot sideways to navigate around this corner successfully. Afterward, we must maintain that angle while moving downward for an extended distance. If the fixture were positioned even half an inch closer to the left, the robot would either be unable to move or require controlling the joints at more challenging angles. Upon reaching the end of the pipe, we need the robot to move backward to return to the starting position. Fortunately, the teach pendant enables us to copy and paste the positions in reverse order. Now, let's see if the robot can go back without any collisions. The robot successfully moved in reverse order. Thank you for watching.